DEWALT 20V Max Bluetooth Speaker Review, Jobsite Beast, or just hype? Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an idea if this sounds familiar. Picture this. You're on site, trying to power through a tough day, and your so-called rugged speaker gives up halfway. Frustrating, right? That's why pros and DIYers are buzzing about a speaker that doesn't just play music, it fights the chaos with you. Deadlines looming, noise everywhere, and stress piling up? You're not alone. Most job site speakers tap out early, leaving silence where motivation should be. Imagine if there was a way to keep the soundtrack going all day, without adding more chaos to your workflow. What if your speaker worked as hard as your drill? That promise isn't fiction, it's real. Enter the DEWALT 20V Max Bluetooth Speaker, DCR010, built tough for those who demand more from their gear. Powered by the same 20V max battery system as your tools, this speaker lasts 8 to 10 hours. Yes, a full workday, without breaking a sweat. With dual 3-inch speakers and a bass reflex port, it delivers clear, punchy sound that cuts through job site noise. Imagine hammer drills pounding and saws roaring, yet your playlist still powers through with clarity. One pro told us, "It's loud enough for the crew and tough enough for drops-off ladders." And here's the kicker. The integrated phone holder keeps your device safe and visible, whether you're checking blueprints or catching a quick call. Even on rainy days, the IP54 rating shrugs off dust and water. Here's one way it saved the day. A foreman dropped it off a sawhorse, still played flawlessly. Want a bonus trick? Pair it with a 5 ampere-hour battery, and it powers 2 shifts. Comment yes if you try that hack. The benefits? Pure efficiency and peace of mind. No fragile consumer gadget can match the rugged housing, metal grille, and impact resistance of this beast. Experts say it's not just a speaker, it's a job site tool. Influencers brag about running it for 2 days straight on a 5 ampere-hour battery. Industry analysts call it a masterclass in ecosystem integration. And everyday users? They can't stop talking about it. A construction foreman told us, "Other speakers broke after dust exposure. This one just keeps going." A DIY woodworker said, "It makes sanding less tedious and keeps me in the zone." Imagine being in your garage, music flowing, phone charging in the cradle, all while your DEWALT battery works double duty. Doesn't it feel like tools should always serve you this well? Which feature would save your day, battery runtime, durability, or the integrated phone holder? Comment below and let us know. Because this isn't just sound, it's workflow transformation. And that's why thousands can't stop talking about it. Want to see why crews, weekend warriors, and influencers are calling it indispensable? Stick around, you're about to find out. Here's the deal, limited stock means you can't wait. Join thousands of pros and DIYers who've already ditched flimsy speakers for a true job site powerhouse. Don't wait. Secure your DEWALT 20V Max Bluetooth speaker today and feel the difference. Click now and unlock the secret benefit, a hidden feature that makes everything easier. Spoiler, it's about more than music. Don't just watch. Jump in, grab yours, and transform your workflow today.